Bear's Magical Storybook.
Hello, my dear friends. Gather around, because I have a special story to share with you today. It's about an eagle and a spider, and how sometimes even the smallest creatures can teach the biggest lessons.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a forest not too different from ours, there was a proud eagle named Ella. Ella soared high above the trees and thought she was the most powerful creature in the forest. She believed no one could match her strength and speed.
What did Ella do?
One day, Ella spotted a tiny spider named Sandy, weaving a delicate web between the branches of a tree. Ella laughed at Sandy and said, "You are so small and weak. How can you spend your time weaving webs when I can fly high and see the whole world?"
Oh no, that's not very nice.
"You're right." But Sandy was not upset. She calmly replied, "Even though I am small, my webs are strong and useful. Everyone has their own special skills." Ella just scoffed and flew away.
What happened next?
Later that day, a strong wind blew through the forest. Ella was flying when the wind became so powerful that it made her lose her balance. She got tangled in Sandy's web and couldn't free herself. Ella struggled and struggled, but the web held tight.
Oh no, how did she get free?
Sandy saw Ella trapped and quickly scurried over. With her tiny legs, she carefully untangled Ella from the web. Ella was very grateful and realized how wrong she had been to underestimate Sandy. She thanked Sandy and learned that everyone, no matter how small, has their own strengths and can be helpful.
So, the spider's web saved the eagle?
Yes, it did. Ella understood that being proud and looking down on others is not right. She learned to appreciate everyone's unique abilities. From that day on, Ella and Sandy became good friends and respected each other.
What a beautiful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, everyone has something special to offer, no matter how small they are. Now, let's all enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.